Hello YouTubers, Billy the Artist here, back with another lesson, and this one is how to draw socks. He will be online on Friday the 3rd of June 2022. He's available now for my patrons. Again, if you want to support me, you can go to patreon.com/theartofbilly and become a patron. There are 3 tiers, you can choose what you want. You get access in all 3 tiers, it's just what can you afford. Now, that's a brilliant way to you can support and get more lessons more regularly. I am aiming to do over the next few months 2 lessons per month. So that's 2 lessons and 2 time lapses. That is what I am aiming to produce. It will give me the scope to do my other work, which is great. But please like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when those new lessons become available. But if you can become a patron, that would be brilliant. Another way you can support me is kind of down here underneath the video where you get the like and the share buttons, and please do share the videos. Then there is a thing called Super Thanks, and you can give me a one-off tip, which is lovely. And again, it's a lovely way to support my channel and support this creativity and helping you to learn to draw. Now, finally, there is Buy Me a Coffee, and again, that's buymeacoffee.com/theartofbilly. Same thing as Super Thanks, but another avenue to actually help support this channel and help me to do more drawing lessons for you guys. And again, I really enjoy it and I really appreciate it. Lots going on, looking forward to the future. Got a busy 3 months. I will be doing lessons. I have got 2 paintings to do. Now again, you'll see updates on my social media, and it's just a very busy time but good fun, and I'm really looking forward to sharing this journey with you and getting to a place where I can do a lot more video lessons. Again, there's more than 130 lessons. Enjoy them. They're all, links are in the cards to the various playlists in the description as well. Really appreciate it. Have fun doing this either on Patreon or when it becomes live on YouTube. Anyway, thanks very much. Take care. See you in the next lesson. Ta-da. Simple, just a triangle. So there you've got a triangle on the top with another triangle inside. Now again, they're going to be curved, they're going to have a more curved shape, but I'm just drawing quick, simple boxes. And there's another triangle, there's the second triangle, it's on this side. And it matches the lower part here. So you got the similar kind of gap, and then we bring the curve out. And we go up. And the eye comes out from the upper eyelid. And then here we've got, this is a Stettler Mars plastic, just my favourite. Just one I've enjoyed using. You find that you try different companies' erasers, products, whatever, and you just become comfortable with certain ones. So again, this fits inside. That is lighter on the inside to the outside, so I'm just doing a mid-tone for now, coming all the way round. And I need a solid line there that separates his eye rim from his eyeball. A quick lot of sketching, but I'll just do it round the edge, and you'll see how that totally crisps up your drawing. You don't have to do that. You can just do the bog standard drawing like I'm doing now. It just, for a few minutes, quick doodle, using up a lot of pencil. You'll see how it makes the highlights stand out. It'll all make sense at the end. So there, just by filling that in very quickly, we have a more three-dimensional cat. Now we need more shadows, but that's that gives you a lot to work with. And again, the background will help make everything stand out. It's much darker in the centre. We've got dark shadow cast by the key ring, where it goes through the hole in the disc. Again, we'll kind of add more detail on that as it goes. I'm resting my left hand on top of my right hand now, just so as I can pivot, bounce backwards and forwards, because I'm off the bottom of the page. Now, this is curved, but it's also got light. So because it's curved, plasticky kind of collar, you've got a darker tone here on this curve. Then it kind of becomes a little bit lighter, and then goes darker again when it comes into the centre right underneath his chin. There's down the side of his head, down by his collar. Then we come down the arm, and all the way to the bottom. Again, I'm using the flatter side, and I'm pressing on now to stop the page from going anywhere. So now you can see I'm really quickly filling this background in. And if you want it jet black, you'll be using a lot of pencil, which is fine, but it'll give you, and that looks pretty groovy. Now, because this is the darkest, you can see straight away 8B is fantastic, and that's just really made that much richer pool of darkness, especially in comparison to his eyebrow. So again, just filling the main area in up to the highlight, coming down, crisping the edge, and now filling in Sox's mouth. Now that's all pretty good. Just going to try and sharpen that one more time. Seeing as we're using, there's hardly anything left to actually sharpen now, but the 8B is much softer, so that will give us darker, softer shadows quicker. So again, that section under the neck,